5 to the power x plus 5 to the power x is equal to 150. We have to find the value of x. So we can write it as 5 to the power x times 2, taking 5 to the power x common, is equal to 150, or we divide both the sides by 2. So 2 and 2 gets cancelled. 2 times 75 is 150. Now it is 5 to the power x is equal to 75. Take log to both the sides. So this is log 5 to the power x is equal to log 75. Now there is a rule, if it is log a to the power b, then it is equal to b log a. So this will be x log 5, and log 75 we can write it as log 25 times 3. So x log 5 is equal to, again, log a times b is equal to log a plus log b. So this will be log 25 plus log 3. Now divide both the sides by log 5. So it is log 25 plus log 3 upon log 5. So this log 5 and log 5 gets cancelled. So x is equal to, log 5 is the common denominator here. So we can write log 25 upon log 5 plus log 3 upon log 5, or x is equal to, log 25 we can write it as log 5 square upon log 5, plus this we write log 3 with base 5, or x is equal to, log 5 square means 2 log 5 upon log 5, plus x is equal to 2 plus log 3 with base 5. Now let's verify this answer. 5 to the power x plus 5 to the power x. We need to verify whether it is equal to 150. 5 to the power 2 plus log 3 with base 5 plus 5 to the power 2 plus log 3 with base 5. Check whether it is equal to 150. Now this is in the form of a raised to the power m plus n, and it is equal to a to the power m times a to the power n. Also, the rules for logarithm say when there is a to the power log b with base a, the value is equal to b. So we are going to use these two. So it will be 5 to the power 2 times 5 to the power log 3 with base 5 plus 5 square times 5 to the power log 3 with base 5. 5 square is 25, and the value of 5 to the power log 3 with base 5 will be 3, because here a is equal to 5 and b is equal to 3. So this is in the form of a to the power log b with base a. So answer will be 25 times 3 plus 25 times 3. We have to check whether it is equal to 150. 75 plus 75 is equal to 150. LHS is equal to RHS. Answer is verified. Therefore, x is equal to 2 plus log 3 with base 5. How did you solve it? Let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching.